Hi guys, we're here in Aqua Planet inside Larg, Pampanga. So we go right now to bridge. So
This is local people, yes?
yes, it's local people. It's called Aita.
What name?
Aita.
Aita.
Oh yes.
They built new hotel.
It's new hotel. So we're going to
Not good roads here. So here better use motor, not car.
not easy to use motor here.
That's what they do it.
I don't know.
They find something, yes?
Oh yes.
You see? That's what they find. Gold maybe, gold.
Not gold.
But before not so many houses.
Yes, it's not so many houses here, but it's before already here.
You not so many move camera. Slowly. Left side is a new house.
It's
All from bamboo.
yes.
Where park? Here.
You can park here. You know, our President Marcos love Aitas. Our president in Philippines.
No, and what? What Marcus?
He love Aitas.
He like with local
Yes.
people.
Uh-huh.
Marcus.
That's why they have house here in Pampanga. You know the Makapagal village?
Uh-huh.
He created that one for our Aitas. So so
No, you're going to.
so many people here, all Aitas here, the original people here in Pampanga. So they
you
live
want to
here.
look Aitas?
No,
Huh?
it's okay. I came from also Aita.
Who?
Me.
You?
Yes.
What name is the place?
I don't know what name.
Oh, you see, maybe before big rain.
Yes, it's big rain before here. Before it's not the same. Take a look. So we go to that
Okay, give me camera.
bridge. Oh, the other side.
Okay, another side.
Good flower na yun.
I know. Oh, hello. Hi. Solar panel.
Not
Solar panel. Yeah, solar panel.
solar panel.
Oh, big. Not need battery. Should work with solar panel.
Good view.
I will picture you.
So they also remove this tree also here, the bamboo.
Yes.
Also this big tree before.
No, I remember here have bamboo house. Here, bamboo house. But don't have bamboo house right now.
So
Okay, okay, don't worry. Afraid? Okay, hold. You see, people
shower.
take shower.
Uh-uh.
Here, take shower. But before don't have so many water. Big water now.
Rain.
Really take shower here, yes?
Yes, it's good to take shower there, you know?
Oh.
It's good. I'm scared. Okay.
Local people drive motor here.
Oh, that's the same for me.
Big water now.
I don't like high. My heart already beating faster. No.
Of course, every day rain. No way, fix already, you see.
Be careful. Uy, slowly only Leon.
No, need faster, not slowly.
Oh.
You see motor in the back.
Scared here, you know? Uy, uy.
Moving.
Moving, it's moving.
Because motor. One small house. Is, I don't know, house or not.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
You go ahead in the top.
A little bit. Tired already? I think another road out of
Make another road. Take it.
maybe this.
No, it's not the same.
It's not road.
It's going to... Ano po kasi natin kaya falls na po kanya na? Noon niyo po kasi falls kaya tayo po kanya. Mas malaw ipa po kanya. Lakaran na pa po ang tayo, di ba? Have falls here. Okay,
Where?
there. But you need to walk so long time.
Ah,
From like hide falls. Hiding falls.
what holes?
Falls. Falls.
Holes.
Oo. So you need to walk so long time before you go there. Ay! Tamang bite mo. Oh, you see how they take shower?
Mm-hmm.
Same way been in Maristis, in Florida, Florida Blanca.
Yes. Florida Blanca, Pampanga. I think it's same river. Yeah, local people here.
Motor already. Kapotong.
Шайром.
Asya, di mo nakita, di ko man tinasa sa akin.
Sobrang abang.
Right.
You from the top? Right there?
No, mali na yan. No, it's okay, I can use motor here.
No.
Together with you.
No.
Why no?
2.1. Even right now, I've been only in this bridge. Ay, like, I want to vomit, you know? Because I'm scared.
Okay, okay, you can.
Ay. Dito.
Banana самони.
So many banana here.
Мгм.
Not the first one.
Тает?
Yes, I'm tired. So hard.
This is another entrance to Aquapark.
Yes.
Parking. Maybe they can open soon. Because rainy season right now, don't have customers. And we show also this is building. They build a hotel.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Bye-bye. Salamat.